Hello 2022-23 batch. Do you want to secure top ranks in your second professional? Is cracking neetpg your next goal?
We introduce you to AARAMBH Live Classes on LN Next app, a special curation of live online classes and high yield study resources जो आपको देंगे एक नहीं दो नहीं बल्कि बहुत सारा extra edge.
Get guidance by India's top faculties. In microbiology by Dr. Sonu Panwar. In pharmacology with me, Dr. Siraj Ahmad. In pathology by Dr. Gourav Tehri.
With AARAMBH, you get access to live classes and study resources to prepare for Prof, practical exams and vivas. 150 plus hours of clear, concise and conceptual videos. A question bank of 2000 plus high yield questions. और सिर्फ इतना नहीं बल्कि will also come up with the 5-year PYQs.
It's not all. We are also bringing a lot of MCQs for all of you guys in form of grand test and subject-wise tests. So you can practice your MCQ solving skills. In addition to that, we are also bringing your PDF and annotated notes.
Beginning from day one, all the faculties will be with you in this journey from MBBS to neetpg, and we'll try to make up your solid foundations to make you exceptional doctors. Thank you.